So this is a demo for the alarm clock for lab 4. The switches 0 to 5 when they flip the LED, corresponding LED lights up. So the first from 0 to 5, switches 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switches switch 0 resets. Switch 4 runs the clock. So we can reset it if you want. Go back. Let's reset it again. Let's go into alarm mode. So the alarm, the seconds do not appear. If you press key 1, the minutes go up. If you keep on pressing key 1, it just scrolls up. If we flip the switch 3 and we go back and press key 1, this is the hours, one by one, or just keep on pressing. If you press key 0, it resets only the alarm. So let's do the demo with the clock on, and then let's go to the alarm, set it, and then let's press key 0, go back to the alarm. You see it's now 0. So let's set it to the alarm to 1 minute, and then put the activate the alarm. So now we have the clock running and the alarm is set at 1 minute. So when the clock reaches 1 minute, the LED number 7 should light up. So the LED and the LED will keep on lighting until one of 3 things happen. Either we press the key 0, which resets the alarm, or we flip the switch 0, which resets the alarm and the clock, or we deactivate the switch 5, but if it is still within the minute, it will still appear. So if it flips like to 2 minutes and then we turn it on and back on and off, the blinking will stop. So until it doesn't go, because the alarm is only set on hours and minutes. So I will stop the alarm, the clock here. So even if it reaches 2 minutes, it will keep on blinking. But if I deactivate it and activate it back again, like now it's 2 minutes, but now if I deactivate and activate back again, it should not go back again. And of course, since now we have the clock running and the alarm set, if we flip the switch, let's 0 back and forth, we will notice that the alarm is off too. One caveat is that if it's activated and 00, it's difficult to turn it off. So once it reaches 1 minute, when we turn it back on, this should go off. If I take it back and forth, it will keep on until it flips to 1 minute, or if I reset it, of course. So now once it reaches 1 minute, if I turn it off and back on, it doesn't blink again. So yeah, that's the gist of it. That's the demo. So everything's working here. And then voila. Thank you.